Hello there, Magic Maths by OPM at Malviya OP welcomes you to watch this video about the given problem, which states a clerk walks from his house at 4 km per hour and reaches to his office 5 minutes later. If his speed is 5 km per hour, he will reach his office 10 minutes early. How far is his office from home? So we are given two speeds. With one speed, he reaches office late by 5 minutes, and with the other speed, he reaches office 10 minutes earlier than the office times. So let the distance from his home to office be d kilometers. Okay. And let's record all the given data. So here speed, then the time taken to walk to his office, so time of walk, and either late or early, right? So with speed s1 equals 4, I am taking all units, kilometer per hour, and s2, that is speed 2, that is 5 km per hour. So with the speed of 4 km per hour, the time taken would be, say t1 is distance upon speed. So here speed, the distance is d kilometers and speed is 4 km divided by r, and he reaches office 5 minutes late, so the time is plus 5 minutes, so late by 5 minutes. Similarly with the speed 2, that is 5 km per hour, the time of walk would be d kilometers divided by 5 km divided by r, and this time he is early by 10 minutes, so this will be minus 10 minutes because he is early here. Therefore the difference of time, that is t1 minus t2 would be plus 5 minutes minus 10 minutes is equal to plus 5 plus 10, so this becomes 15 minutes. Okay, so the time difference is 15 minutes, and this time difference of 15 minutes is equal to the here t1 minus t2. So t1 is d kilometer divided by 4 km divided by hour, minus t2 is d kilometer divided by 5 km divided by hour. So this becomes, here kilometer and kilometer get cancelled, this kilometer get cancelled. So what we get? We get D multiplied by R divided by 4, and here we get D divided by 5 multiplied by R. Hence 15 minutes becomes we take out DH here, D into H. So in bracket we get 1 upon 4 and here 1 upon 5. Alright. Now you see this is 15 minutes, so we convert into R because here we have taken the speed in kilometer per hour. So 15 minutes becomes 15 divided by 60 R, and this is DH, and here we get 20 as LCM, so we get here 5 and minus 4, right? So this R this side and this R is both sides our get cancelled, so we get 15 by 60, that is 15 in divided by 60. 15 1 time 15 is 15 and 4 times 15 is 6, so we get 1 by 4 here, and this is equal to D. 5 minus 1 is 5 minus 4 is 1 divided by 20. Hence what we get, 20 divided by 4 is D, that is 1 time 4 is 4 and 5 times 4 is 20. Hence D equals 5. So distance is 5. So distance in kilometer, D kilometer becomes 5 kilometer. Therefore the distance from his home to his office is 5 kilometers. Hence this is the answer. Distance from home to office is 5 kilometers. So this is how the problem is solved, with all detailed explanations about the speed, time, everything, how speed units are taken, and hour, minutes and hour, and this is how the distance is calculated. So distance is 5 kilometers, and that's the answer. So I hope you have liked this detailed solution of this problem. So please hit the like button and share this video as much as possible, and subscribe to my channel to get more of such interesting problems and their solutions. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye for now.